The aviation industry is a tough and competitive field where the safety of workers and passengers is just as important as the flight experience. Yet those working in the airline industry must also consider their environmental and sustainability impact while keeping in alignment with strict and changing regulations. With Gensuite, your business is better equipped to manage the safety and efficiency of your flights and managing everything that goes behind the scenes. Here are some of Gensuite's solutions to streamline day-to-day aviation management. Equipment maintenance software enables users to manage critical assets and equipment by making it simple to schedule and execute inspections. Gensuite's environmental compliance software streamlines management of key environmental requirements and gives users easy access to important tools, including task assignments, performing trend analysis, and report generation. Our award-winning audit management software simplifies regulatory compliance, including scheduling audits, developing custom checklists, and checking the completion of assigned tasks. Streamline aviation management on ground and in air with Gensuite. Learn more at www.gensuite.com.